Hi friends, welcome to my video. This week I'm doing my weekly meal prepping for my lunch for the week, and I'm going to be doing a sheet pan meal today. The weather's finally cooling down a little bit in the mornings and the evenings, so I do not mind turning on my oven and kind of heating up the kitchen a little bit. So I'm going to be doing a sheet pan recipe. It's going to be a bacon ranch chicken with broccoli and cauliflower, and everything will be on one sheet pan, which I love because it makes cleanup so much easier and very simple. So it's going to be a nice keto friendly recipe for this week. If you are new to my channel, I do meal prepping every Saturday, quick, easy, healthy meals to give you some inspiration to do some meal prepping so that you are organized for the week. So I'm going to get this week's meal prep all ready to go. Make sure you leave me a comment if you have any questions, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel if you need some healthy meal prepping motivation. Let's get this lunch cooked up. All right, here's my ingredients. I got the chicken. I'm gonna add in some bacon, ranch seasoning. I also like paprika. I love paprika on my chicken recipes. I'm gonna drizzle it with some ranch when it's all done. I have broccoli and cauliflower. So this is gonna be super simple, but super healthy with all the veggies and protein with the chicken. So delicious. I'm gonna get it all cooked up. So I'm going to dice my chicken up into some pretty small little pieces. So I'm going to fly it open first, then I will slice it, and then I will dice it up again. I like to have super small pieces. It makes getting lots of flavoring on it easy, and it's really great for sheet pans. So I'm going to slice it and then cube it and put it on my baking mat that I absolutely love. If you've been around my channel, you know how often I use this baking mat. I got it on Amazon, so I will link it in the description box. But the chicken is all diced up. I have my ranch seasoning mix. I'm going to put that on my chicken, and then I'm also going to put on some paprika, and I love paprika on my chicken. It is just a really great seasoning for chicken, so I'm going to load this up with paprika, but definitely just put as much as you would like depending on your taste preference. So I'm going to now cut up the bacon. I'm just going to use 2 pieces. It's a thick cut bacon. I'm going to use my kitchen scissors to chop it up and add it on top of the chicken. I have my broccoli and I have my cauliflower as well. So I'm going to add these onto my sheet pan. I'm going to drizzle the veggies with olive oil, and I'm going to add some seasoning on as well. And then I will mix the veggies all together. I'm going to put this in the oven. It's already preheated. I'm going to put it in the oven. It's at 350 degrees. And I'm going to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes. And this meal prep is so quick and easy and delicious. All right, so this sheet pan meal is all ready to go. So quick and easy. I love the easy cleanup about sheet pan meals. Just doesn't get any quicker than that. So I'm gonna portion everything into my meal prep containers. If you've been around my channel, you know I use these for all of my meal prepping. They are wonderful, nice, good quality glass containers. I'm gonna put a link to them in the description box from Amazon. They are the best. So I'm gonna portion everything out, and then my lunch is ready to go for the week. All right, I'm gonna finish this off with a drizzle of ranch dressing because everything is better with ranch dressing. So this meal prep is ready to go. All right, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy sheet pan meal. This could be really great for dinner also, but this lunch is all ready to go for the week. I hope that this gives you a little bit of motivation to do some meal prepping for your lunches or dinner. Hope you have a really great day. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.